We are in New York City and I'm joined by Mark from BAS-IP. Mark, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
So right now we're in front of a 12-story building where BAS-IP installed their intercom solution, a fully integrated solution. And Mark will give us a little tour about what does that mean, having a fully integrated solution.
Absolutely. So we are right now at 2850 Webster Avenue project. It's a 12-story, 189 residences building, which basically a mid-range size site with a requirement to have an entry panel and the application on the phone of each resident. Again, BAS-IP has a wide range of products to choose, but already traditionally for New York, we have an installed AA14FB outside and the application on the phone, which is called Link, and which I will be more than happy to describe more detailed inside of this particular project. This building is equipped with our flagman AA14FB multi-apartment station, multi-dwelling station, which comes in a solid aluminum body, 2-megapixel camera with the ability to read QR code, face identification, multi-format reader, ability to have a directory or a contact book where every guest will be able to contact the necessary apartment, or for example call directly to the necessary destination. So this particular panel gives ability for every resident to have an application on the phone, which is called Link. Link gives ability to every user to have an access to their particular project. For example, in our case, it will be IC East. Find the necessary panel, connect to it remotely, open the door, and in case if you're expecting a guest or a courier, you're able to generate a temporary access pass. For example, it will be for Mark. Choose the type of a pass. Either it will be a QR code, access code, URL link, or a car license plate. Choose the type of a guest, whether it will be a courier or a guest. Set up the time management, number of passes, and the necessary doors where this particular identifier is going to work. After, every user is able to send it via any service, whether it will be just a regular message, email, and once the message is sent, resident can come, show the QR code to the panel, and open the door. Our Link solution gives ability to simplify the project specifications by not installing the indoor station inside of each unit and simply just have a application on the phone which gives you the same technical abilities just as our indoor stations, whether it will be a 7-inch monitor, 10-inch monitor, or an audio device only.
I love the designs of your intercom, and I can see that even the background is customizable to your needs. We see the address right there. But what about the access control and video surveillance? I see that everything seems to be connected together.
Yes, so usually on every premise you have several vendors which provides their solutions, such as an IP intercom, and usually it's an access control and CCTV manufacturers. So BAS-IP gives ability to be a part of existing access control infrastructure of every building. BAS-IP IP intercoms are equipped with weekend output, starting from 26 to 64 formats. So it gives you the ability to be connected to a third-party controller and manage our multi-format reader on our panels using that particular access controller. Or in cases, for example, the concierge is using our concierge station AMO2, it gives the ability to pull up an RTSP stream from any third-party vendor of CCTV cameras. For example, whether it will be a Brivo, or Hikvision, or Dahua, or Axis, or Hanwha, UNV, etc.
So I see this luxurious apartments, more than 100 living space. Why did they choose BAS-IP exactly?
So Again, I think developers and integrators, installers, they're choosing us mainly because we are able to fit into any project specifications, whether it's a cost-effective project, mid-range project like this, or even a luxury project. BAS-IP has a wide range of products to choose from, and pretty much we share the same technical capabilities between all of the equipment. The only difference between all of them is their design and their cost. But the technical capabilities, high integration amount with third-party vendors of VMS, CCTV, monitoring systems, access control systems, gives ability to have a product which can fit into any environment.
And now I'm gonna talk for the technicians that watch the video out there. What about the support you guys provide for these installations?
And we try to dedicate as much as possible of our resources to support of our technical partners, installers, integrators. We provide certifications. We teach our partners to be certified BAS-IP installers. And of course, when it comes to project deployment, every step of project deployment we do together. We dedicate our team in order to set up equipment, help and describe how the project is working, what will be the best solution for every particular requirement for indoor stations, outdoor stations, etc. And of course, again, our system infrastructure is very simple. All of our equipment requires only to be connected to the same local network in case if you have an indoor station and an outdoor station, or they require to have just an assigned SIP number to your application, your phone, and the outdoor station. After that, everything is going to communicate with each other automatically.
Well, thank you again for the tour, Mark. Anywhere we can contact you guys, how can we reach you? Do you have a website?
Absolutely. We have a website called BASIP.com where you can find all of our latest articles. You can find all of the information on the hardware and software. We offer much wider range of solutions than what we described today, but I'm sure once you will reach out to us using our channels, email, phone number, etc., we'll be able to assign the dedicated person, help you with the project deployment, choosing the right solution for your project, and of course, see the good review afterwards of your customers or of yourself as well.
Well, thank you again.
Thank you. My pleasure.